Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to set dual clock in iPhone lock screen. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set dual clock in iPhone lock screen. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First step is you'll need to head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find wallpaper option. After you find wallpaper, open it up. And after you open wallpaper, you'll need to customize your lock screen. So tap on customize. And after you tap on customize, you will be able to add widgets. Now, as you can see right here, I have the plus add widgets option. Tap on add widgets. And here you should find your clock option. Now there is my clock option. Simply tap on it. And now you can tap on clock to choose which version of clock you want. So simply select whichever you want, and yeah, you're basically good to go. So that is how you can add dual clock in your iPhone lock screen, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.